Hey fam, today I'm sharing with you this simple and delicious okra stew recipe. It is really healthy and vegetarian friendly as long as you take out the meat. This is lamb. I'll just season it and then cook it. It's optional actually. I don't always use meat. And then I'll go ahead to grate my okra. So I sometimes chop them, I sometimes grate them. It depends on the mood. So today's mood is telling me to grate them. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I added some spinach leaves as well. It's optional, but it gives it some beautiful color and flavor. I'm adding salt to it just to, give it some taste of its own. Because sometimes I like to put some of the okra aside when I'm not using everything. And I'm going to fry my salted fish or momone. After that, I fry my chopped onions. And then once they're translucent, I add some ginger, garlic, and onion paste. I add this to like every single thing I cook. Not every single thing, but a lot of things that I cook, and it's amazing. So once that is fried, we just pour in our blended veggies. So I've blended red bell peppers or capsicum, tomatoes, and then habanero. That's bakushito. And yeah, I've just dumped them in here just to fry as well. So it's just like we were making stew actually. So once that is really fried, you realize the oil settles on top, and then you're just ready to add your protein. And then leave it in the stew to mingle with each other. You want the flavors to incorporate very well before you add the okra. So in goes the star of the show, and I like to do that gradually and in bits because I don't want the okra to be more than the stew or otherwise. So I do this until I get the consistency that I want, and just like that, keke agbena, okra stew is ready. Now okra stew, dear, you get some banku or eba if you don't have banku, or some people eat it with rice. Someone like me, I know it's weird, but yeah. But today I'm eating with banku, and it looks so delicious and it tastes great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please, you know what to do. Just click on that red subscribe button for more. See ya. Ciao.